A very good morning, parents and my dear children. Today I have come with Tinker Book 6. Tinker Book 6, you need to open to page 6. Tinker Book 6, page 6. And today we are going to start with letter R. This is Mama R and this is Baby R. Now what is the phonetic sound of letter R? R says R, R says R, R says R, R says R, R, R. So, see, there is a picture of a rainbow, the rain is falling, and this is a picture of a rabbit. So, it is related to letter R, the vocabulary. R for rabbit. In the morning I taught you know, R for rabbit is a pet animal. It comes under domestic also. It is a farm animal also. It has long ears, it eats carrot and spinach, and it can jump and run very fast. It hops also. And it has a round fluffy tail. So R for rabbit, R for rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. Please teach them the 7 colors. Rainbow has how many colors? 7 colors. Vibgyor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, and R for rain. See, the rain is falling. Rain falls from the sky when the clouds are formed. So R for rabbit, R for rainbow. They start with letter R. Now we have done page 6. Now we come to page 7. The vocabulary. R for rose. Rose is a beautiful flower with red color. Many color roses you get, but in this book it is a red color rose. Rose has thorns. R for ring. Ring. Ring, you wear it in your finger. See, R for ring. R for radish. Radish is a vegetable. Very healthy vegetable. You can eat raw, you can cook also. It's white in color with green leaves. R for rock. When you visit the hill station near the beach, you can see rock. R for rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. Vibgyor. See, in the morning I taught you Vibgyor. So V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. Vibgyor. Just teach them orally to increase their knowledge. R for rainbow. And this is a rocket. Rocket flies in the sky and up it goes into space. R for rocket. Okay. So R for rose, R for ring, R for radish, R for rock, R for rainbow, R for rocket. Now we come to page number 8. Now what's written here? Practice. Read the instruction. Look at the pictures. Circle the ones whose names begin with the sound of letter R. So there are so many pictures, 5 pictures. Recognize the picture, each and every picture, and the letter which starts with letter R you need to circle. So you can take a pencil, or if you have a color pencil, you can use a color pencil. So which is your favorite color? Use. If you want to use a pencil, you use. So I am using this color pencil. Yellow color I have in my hand. So first recognize R for radish, R for ring, F for fish, R for rainbow, E for engine. Now ask your child, what is this picture? They will say radish. So which letter? R for radish. So they will circle. R for ring. So which letter it starts with? R for ring. Ask the question. R for fish? No. F for fish? No. So we will not circle. R for rainbow? Yes, R for rainbow. So you will circle the rainbow. And this is E for engine. So E for engine you will not circle. You will circle the 3 pictures which start with letter or begin with letter R. So this is page 8. After you finish page 8, we come to page 9. We come to page 9. Now page 9, please read the instruction. Look at the pictures. Match the rockets with this capital R to the ones with baby R, Mama R and baby R by drawing lines. Now you can use a lead pencil or you can use the color pencil. Now I have yellow color, I am doing with the yellow color. This is Mama R, this is baby R. So match. This is Mama R and this is baby R. Ask your child to recognize the capital and the small letter and they will match. Now ask them which letter? Baby R. Which letter is this? Mama R. Match with the capital to the small. And this is also capital R, small r. So they will match. Now what is the mentor tip saying? The mentor tip is saying encourage the child to name two more pictures that begin with the sound of letter R. So this is the picture of a rocket. You ask them, R for, they say rose, R for rain, R for rainbow, okay, R for red. So they will increase the vocabulary. Now we come page number 10. Okay, so practice, color the picture, read the instruction for them, color the picture. Now ask them, what can you see in the picture? They will say, I can see a picture of a flower. So what is the name of the flower? The name of the flower is rose. So there are many different color roses. So I have got red color, so they will tell them to color red color. They can color pink color, they can color yellow color, they can color light pink, beige color, they can color, okay. And mostly you get in red color, so tell them to color in red. So after coloring the rose, then we have to come to the formation. So what is the formation of letter R? A standing line, a round curve with a slanting line. Now the standing line is the correct formation, the round curve is the correct formation. Then from where the round curve finishes, you have to come and draw this line. So over here in the formation, the R, the slanting line is having a gap. We don't want a gap. You can start the gap from right as the from here. Okay. Now trace the letter R. Trace the letter R. First we come to the standing line. Then we come to the round left open curve. Then we come to this slanting line. This is letter R. Again I am doing one for you, a standing line, a curve. Don't move the pencil, keep the pencil in the tip over there as it finishes, and then you draw one line which is okay. So this is letter R. We don't do with this so much of gapping. Okay, again a standing line, a round, and then this is a wrong formation, so you have to follow. As soon as you finish, you come to this tip and then you make this standing line, a round curve, and don't move the pencil. Pencil shorabina. Again this tip you make one R. Okay, standing line, a round curve. See the curve, 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 curve. Don't move the pencil. Once you make that slanting line down, then you move the pencil. Okay. So this is letter R. Please mention the date also. Today is 1/5/15/11.21. Okay. Now we come to small letter R. Now rabbit. You know what is a rabbit? I told you rabbit is a small animal. You can take it as a pet and a domestic. It is a farm animal. So many of them keep as a pet. So rabbit is what color? White in color. White color. Round fluffy tail. Lovely soft fur it has. So color the rabbit. Rabbit can run, hop, jump. And what does a rabbit eat? When you're coloring, when your child is coloring, ask the question, what does a rabbit eat? Rabbit eats carrot, green vegetables, spinach, carrot, radish. Okay. And rabbit lives in a hole. Okay. And rabbit is a very soft animal, you know, and very loving animal, and it's got very soft fur, and you can color the ears a bit pink in color. Okay, so this is a rabbit. After coloring the rabbit, now we come to the formation of small letter R. See, standing line, a round curve, and then you make one small round. So trace the letter R, standing line, go up, and don't move the pencil. Make one small round and then move the pencil. Standing line, go up and make one round, small. How you make this curve? Like this. First make them practice this curve. Okay, again a standing line, a round, and then this is the one. So this is small letter R. So teach them the correct formation of capital letter R and capital letter R and small letter R. R for rose and R for rabbit. Always encourage your child when they're writing, trace them with the correct formation. So now the video is for page 6, phonetic sound with vocabulary, page 7, and what are the pictures related to, explain it to them, and the color of the rainbow. Then you do this activity, practice page related to the pictures. You need to circle, then capital and small r, and many more vocabulary related to letter R and the correct formation of letter R and the correct formation of small letter r. Please do this work neatly with the correct form presentation and neat work. Okay. Till then, bye. God bless you all.